Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So to start off today, I am going to show everybody how to make a lightning bolt light. So I found an amazing one online and it was over $3,000. And so I said, hell no, not doing that, especially for a 9-year-old's room. So I decided to create something similar, I guess that's cheaper. I really like to work off of an acronym named B.O.B. It's not Bob approved. If it's not Bob approved, then we don't do it on this channel. So B.O.B basically stands for Boujee on a budget. So on this channel, you will always see maybe knockoffs of high-end brands and things like that that look super luxury. Even if you have the money, it's not always something you want to spend the money on. So here I just want to really hone in on creating those awesome luxury looks for super cheap and still quality. I still want to make everything quality. So before I get started, I would appreciate so much if you could like and subscribe to this channel so you can get more interior design. And I also mix in a lot of motivational pieces and personal development and just anything that's going to get your spirit lifted and happiness. That's what we really want on this channel. So please like and subscribe if that's something that you're into. Also, like and subscribe because I was just editing this and I forgot to mention that 50% of all proceeds once we go monetized, I think I said that right, are going to go towards an amazing fund that is going to all go towards somebody who really deserves an amazing designed space. So this may be a single mom, this may be somebody who donates their time and energy and effort to others or charity or whatever it is. It's going to all be people that really deserve it and maybe don't have the time, don't have the money, don't have the energy to design a space, and we really want to give back to them on this channel and spread the love. So until I get monetized or whatever that room cost me to do, I'm going to donate 50% of that to an amazing fund. So say I spent $1,000 designing a room, I'm going to put $500 into that fund, and I'll keep doing that until I'm making enough on this channel and on the videos to surpass that amount. If I don't surpass that amount, then I'm just donating my own money, if that makes sense. So either one, whatever is greater, it'll go towards the fund. Also, if you know somebody, please comment below. I want to know who's worthy of an amazing design space, and I want to give back. We really want to give back on this channel. So please let me know or email me if you don't want to comment on the channel. But we would really love to hear from you, whether it's a family member, somebody you just met, friend, you, whoever it is. Please let me know, and we will continue to give back. But just know, if you like and subscribe, you're not just supporting me, you're supporting everybody around you and making this a better place to live. So please like and subscribe. Okay, for the shopping and the tool list, I highly suggest just pausing the video and writing all that down. It's also going to be in this description down below, so I won't waste your time, and yeah, so just pause. If I can do it, I promise you can do it. If you don't have tools at home like the ones I'm showing you, super easy to go rent some from Home Depot, Lowe's, any places like that. Or, you know, borrowing. Hopefully you may know somebody that could help you cut these, but the cuts are super simple, and I am extremely amateur, as you'll see, so don't follow my safety because I'm not wearing safety in this, and I'm not saying that you should do that, but just a little disclaimer, no one chopped their hands off or anything. It is over 7 feet long. We have 10-foot ceilings. And we have the LEDs in the back. Just kind of go over so you can kind of see from a back view. So to cut your plywood, I would first draw it out with a piece of chalk. I did pencil, and it was so hard to get off afterwards, and I had to stand like crazy. Also, as you can tell with my workstation, I am such a pro. Not. I am an amateur, but definitely use that safety equipment, not what I was using. I just used a jig saw, although I suggest using a circular saw for best accuracy. So from there, I just started sanding that first piece down and getting it really smooth, and smoothing out the edges since I didn't use a table saw. After that, I suggest matching the two pieces up and then cutting your second piece. From there, you'll use your metal plate and attach the two pieces together from the back using some wood glue and some of your 1/2-inch screws. And then from there, I used some wood filler and just started sanding the two pieces together. Then cut your 2x2s to size and glue them down. If I were to sell a piece like this in the future, I would have perfected the back, but since I knew it was just going in our house, I did really rough cuts, and it was super simple and easy, and this is what it looked like after the glue was dry. After the glue was dry, I used the spax to make sure the two pieces were really stuck together. From there, I just added my LED strip. Super simple. I suggest getting at least 20 feet because I got 16 and I was a little bit short. And then add your hanger and measure on the wall where you like it and hang it up, and you got yourself an LED lightning bolt light, baby.